I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the blockchain. Com Explorer. First, navigate to the blockchain. Com website and locate the Explorer section. You'll see a prominent search bar. This is your primary tool for finding information. Simply input a transaction ID, block height, or wallet address to begin your search. The Explorer provides real-time data, showing recent blocks and transactions as they occur on the network. It's an essential tool for anyone wanting to verify blockchain activity. Once you've entered a transaction ID, the Explorer displays a wealth of information. You can see the current status, including how many confirmations it has received, which indicates its security on the network. Pay attention to the transaction fees, typically shown in satoshis per byte, and the total amount transferred. The Explorer clearly outlines the sending and receiving addresses involved, providing full transparency for every movement of funds. Beyond individual transactions, the Explorer allows you to delve into entire blocks. Searching by block height or hash reveals all transactions included within that block, its timestamp, and the mining pool that confirmed it. When you search for a specific wallet address, you gain insight into its current balance and a comprehensive list of all incoming and outgoing transactions. This feature is incredibly useful for auditing or simply understanding an address's activity over time. The blockchain. Com Explorer offers more than just basic lookups. Explore advanced filtering options to narrow down your searches, perhaps by transaction size or time frame. You can also monitor crucial network statistics, such as the current hash rate, which indicates network security, and the overall transaction volume. These insights help you understand the blockchain's health. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.